You're welcome to Kharis tutorials. I'm Simeon Grace. I'll be taking us Welt pockets today, and this is going to serve as our normal fabric. It could be your skirt, your trouser, it could be on a dress. So I'm going to use this to represent that, and this is going to be our pocket. Here I have the measurement of 7 inches as the width and the length of 12 inches. So this is going to be my pocket. This is going to be the normal fabric. The first thing I did, I have my soft stay where I positioned it where I'm going to have my pockets. So I've ironed that. Also on my pockets, I also ironed my soft stay. And what I'm going to do now is to place this. Like I said, you need to position the points where you want your pocket. Now, the width of my pocket is 4 inches. So I'm going to mark it out 4 inches. That's my pocket. So the width of my pocket is 4 inches. This is my 4 inches. And the pocket mouth is half an inch. That's 0.5 inches. 0.5. So I'm going to mark the 0.5 on both sides. Now I need to draw a straight line. So I'm going to draw a straight line from that point. Having done that, the sides as well, I'm going to draw the lines to meet. Now I'm going to run my sewing on that line. I'm going to run it on the 4 edges. I'm going to run my sewing and we'll continue. So let's do that. So I'm going to give it a cut in between, just like this. Then I'm going to trace it out to this very end, to trim it out also to the other end, and I'm going to do the same to the other angles, just like this. You have to be careful here, and the same to the other side. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Just like this, as you can see. So now I'm going to bring it in. Turn it inside. Now I'm going to fold this to cover the space. You can see this space. I'm going to use this. This is our pocket. This is our normal fabric. So I'm going to use this to cover the space up, just to fill it in like this. And the next thing I'm going to do from here is to top stitch I'm going to top stitch on this side from here to this point. Okay, I'm going to do the same to the other side. Having done that, the next thing I'm going to do is to bring the pockets. Now, from your fabric, you'll know if this is where you want your pockets, or your pockets falls to the other side. So wherever your pockets falls to, like this, so this is going to be our pockets on the other side. So but from now, I'm going to first close this side. That's the pockets I'm filling up. I want to close the excess. Let me just join this side first. Now, this is our pockets. I've closed the pockets itself. The next thing I'm going to do from here, I'm going to open it up. So that I'm going to close the side. I'm going to close it to this end, coming from the base, and I'll stitch. I'm going to do the same to the other side. Make sure you fold your pockets very well. Fold it out. And that's all you need to make your Welt pockets. That is all, and very simple to do. Thanks for watching Kharis tutorials. I'm Simeon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if this is your first time. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram at Africa TV. You can also follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Kharis Kreations. Till I see you next class. Bye.